I just had a video where I cut the poison ivy vine in my yard. Actually, a couple of them. Just trying to get rid of it. But you need to know about first aid for this too. One thing I didn't do was wear gloves. Would have been smart to do that. But once you've been exposed to poison ivy, whether you're walking through it in shorts or heck, even in jeans, you really want to throw those clothes in some warm soapy water. Go ahead and wash them as soon as you can. But also do the same to yourself. Get some warm soapy water, rinse off, towel that off, maybe even do it twice. There's an oil in there, I think it's called urushiol. Let me put it in spelling here in a minute. I can spell it out for you in the text. But that gets on your skin. It causes a nasty reaction in most people. And the way to treat that, if you do get that rash, which you can look up what it looks like, but it's basically kind of looks like old school chicken pox, or it's really pussy sores. You get some calamine lotion, or there's probably another 20 or 30 products out on the market that you can get. This little bottle here at Walmart was $3. They have a clear version. It was more. Not really sure why, but anyway, wash off with warm soapy water, take a bath. If you're in it a lot where it might get on you, like I'm pretty sure that sap got on my arm because I felt something. Wash that off real quick, and to be real safe, wear gloves and glasses and wash those off. Anyway, take care, and I'm gonna go clean up.